Hey guys, today we're looking at dividing integers using tiles. So let's start out with one that you're probably like, oh, I already know this, okay? But let's still look at it in terms of using integers to solve it. So let's pretend we have 8 divided by 4, okay? You're all screaming, I know what it is, it's 2! But I want to show you why it's 2. So the first number we're gonna say is what we have. It's the amount of tiles that we have. So what we have. That's 8. We show that by showing 8 pluses. Okay? The second number, this 4. So we have 8 divided by 4. This 4 can either be what is in each group or how many groups there are. Okay? So number of groups or what is in each group. So let's do the first one, number of groups. If I need 4 groups, then 2 is going to go in each group. So here's 1 group, 2 group, 3 groups, 4 groups. And then what's in each group is 2. So if I take 8 and I put it into 4 groups, there's 2 in each group. Or I could also do what's in each group. So if I want 4 in each group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, I have 2 groups. Either way, I'm getting 2. Okay. But let's look at another situation where we have a negative divided by a positive. So let's do negative 12 divided by 4. So I gotta remember, I start with what I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This 4, remember we talked about, could either be what's in each group or the number of groups that there are. Well, I can't put 4 in a group because I only have negative tiles. So this is going to have to represent how many groups I have. So if I take these negative 12 tiles and I put them into 4 groups, I need to put negative 3 in each group. In order to make 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, and use up all tiles, I have to put negative 3 in each group. So negative 12 divided by 4 is negative 3. We'll do another example when we have a negative divided by a negative. So let's do negative 18 divided by negative 3. This doesn't change. This is still what I have. Negative 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now, I'm dividing it into, I can't make negative 3 groups. So again, that's going to have to be what's in each group. So I'm going to make groups of negative 3. 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 groups. So negative 18 divided by negative 3 is a positive 6. So this supports our smiley face method, which works with multiplication and division. A negative divided by a negative is a positive. The eyes match, so it's positive. Thinking back to our other one, it was negative 12 divided by 4. It was a negative and a positive. Our answer was negative 3, which supports our smiley face method, which is if the eyes don't match, it's a negative number. So when you divide integers, you can divide like normal, but then just look at what your sign needs to be. If it's a negative and a positive, your answer is going to be negative. If it's a negative and a negative, your answer is going to be positive. And if it's 2 positive numbers, it's going to be a positive answer. Okay, that's all I got.